This will be a short montage video. It starts with Mike and his Firebird racing Rodney, his Coyote Swap Fox body at the flashlight drags in Waynesburg, PA. And we do some maintenance. Mary's El Camino needed a fuel pump, some filters. Michael changed the filter in his Firebird, and then we go to a car show with the group there. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.
Give us a holler. Oh, wow.
Time will tell if I'll see heaven or burn in hell. Since my infancy, my life has been planned out for me. Each day I give it hell, I bust my ass from bell to bell. Trust me, I try my best, but I just can't seem to pass that test. Since my infancy, life's planned out for me. Day's a triple shift, the 9 to 5, the band, the kids. No time for looking back, no time to sit and just relax. Weekends roll around, another bar, another town. We do this thing we do, bare our souls to share with you. Bare our souls to share with you. This job cost me my life, I lost the dog, the house, the wife. Somehow I still believe if I don't quit that I'll succeed. And when that rolls around and K-Rock plays what I lay down, I hope it numbs the hurt. Thanks for coming and buy a shirt. Thanks for coming and buy a shirt. Buy a shirt.
At the car show, we met up with Nick and his Turbo S10, my brother-in-law and his Mustang, and Tammy drove Mary's El Camino. I drove Michael's Firebird, which it won first place and unfinished, so I'm happy for the kid. It was a good time. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll have some updates on some other projects that we're working on. Going to try to finish up the S10.